Spy Ninjas, we really want PZ9 to reveal his face and become an official Spy Ninja.
Yes!
As you can see, he's right over there. He's still wearing a mask. And a bunch of you guys commented in the last video that you want him to be a Spy Ninja too. But before becoming an official Spy Ninja, we need to test him if he has honesty, loyalty, and bravery.
I have a great way to test if he's honest. Let's see if he hacks my YouTube channel.
What?
What do you mean, Chad?
If I leave my laptop open, logged into my YouTube channel, he can sneak up to it and go clickety clickety clack. And he could delete my channel. But I don't think he's going to, because I think he does have that trait. Honesty, he's not gonna do it.
I don't know. This is a very risky mission. PZ9 betrayed us like 3 times in the past. He could betray us again.
Yeah, but now he's learned his lessons, Daniel. He's trustworthy now.
Okay, Chad, let's see if you're right or not. Let's test this out.
Yes.
You gonna say something about me?
No,
just keep jamming. Just keep jamming.
Yeah.
You guys all need to leave the house. If he's home alone with my laptop there, that gives him the opportunity to test his loyalty. And while you guys are gone, why don't you two think about something that you can test him on?
Oh,
Okay, yeah, I got some ideas. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, see you guys later.
Wait, where's everybody going?
They're all going shopping, and in fact, I gotta get going here too. So you hang out. Now you're gonna be here home alone. Are you okay with that?
Really? All but my lonesome?
Don't get in any trouble. Protect the safe house. Make sure no hackers get in here.
Yeah,
and
sounds easy enough.
just don't do anything I wouldn't do. Okay? Just keep practicing that ukulele, and we'll be back before you know it. Okay, Spy Ninjas. I've got my laptop right here. I'm gonna set it right here on this stool, and I'm gonna see if PZ9 tries to go onto my laptop without my permission and tries to do something to my YouTube channel, like delete it or whatever. This is kind of risky, but I have a lot of trust in Melvin and PZ9. I'm logged in to my YouTube channel. If he has the opportunity to do something to my YouTube channel and he doesn't, that means he can be trusted. So I'm gonna leave my laptop right here, and I'm gonna set up a spy pen. There's a little hole right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little camera there. I know, I'm gonna do it right here on Regina's sign that says don't touch anything. We'll put the pen right there. Now that pen will be able to see the laptop screen. Spy pen is now set up. It can see the laptop. That's my YouTube channel right there. All right, this is gonna be the greatest way to tell if PZ9 can really be trusted.
Wow. I really can't believe the Spy Ninjas would just leave me in the safe house like that. They really trust me? That's right. They really trust me. The whole house to myself? I wonder what I should do. I know. How about a montage? Yeah! Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Yo, what is up, Spy Ninjas? In the last video, everybody failed at unmasking me.
Okay, Spy Ninjas, I've set up a little sting operation on PZ9 to see if he's gonna try to do something to my YouTube channel. I can see everything through that spy pen on this phone right here. So I'm just gonna watch and see what he does. Jumping on the beanbag. PZ9, that beanbag isn't bouncy. Wait, he just left Regina's room. Luckily, Daniel set up a bunch of other cameras throughout the house. Let me see if I can switch cameras. There we go. He's in the kitchen. Oh, he's going in the fridge. What's he gonna get? Oh gosh, those pickles again. Man, PZ9 loves pickles. Uh-oh. Oh, he's looking at Regina's room. Oh, he's going in the door. Oh my gosh, I'm worried.
Wait, you guys see that? Is this Chad's laptop? He's signed into his YouTube channel. And how fitting. It's just set up right in front of my sleeping quarters, huh? Look at that, 10 million subs. It's just logged in.
Well, this is interesting. I mean, for as long as I've known Chad while I was in Project Zorgo, our entire goal was to get into his YouTube channel. Now his stuff is just right here for me to peruse at my leisure.
Why did I do this? Maybe I should run in there and close my laptop and lock it. No, I have to get over my fears and I need to trust PZ9. I have to know, is PZ9 gonna be a true Spy Ninja? Is he gonna be on our side, or can he not be trusted? I mean, I've wanted him to be a Spy Ninja for a long time. I know all of you Spy Ninjas, you want him to be a Spy Ninja as well. This is our chance to finally see if he can be trusted. Let's see what happens. I think he's gonna do the right thing. PZ9, what are you doing? Settings, no, you don't need to go into my settings. There's no reason to go into my YouTube settings. What are you doing? Wait. That's the delete button. I gotta get inside. He's gonna delete my YouTube channel. He's gonna delete my YouTube channel. Wait.
Silly goose, Chad. Don't you know you should always log out of any of your accounts when you leave your computer, especially when it's unlocked and accessible by whoever's in the household?
What? Log out? Oh, PZ9, yes! I knew it all along. I was not worried in the least bit. I knew you would be a good spy ninja. I knew you wouldn't delete my YouTube channel. Why did I ever doubt you? I didn't doubt you, that's right. Yes, I was about to run inside, but I got a little scared. It's all good. He logged out of my YouTube channel, everybody. I knew he would do the right thing. This is awesome. Yes.
All right, look at this. The infamous safe. If I figure out the code right now, then I'll have all of its contents to myself. But what combination has not been tried yet? I think the spy ninjas need to think of better codes. I keep seeing comments about random number combinations they find in the streets. It's gotta be something more complex. Maybe it has something to do with the most popular Project Zorgo members. So I'm gonna try 9, 9, 9, 9. Because I am the most popular!
Incorrect. Try again in 24 hours.
I guess not. Oh well, try again tomorrow. Whatever's in this safe is rumored to be what could stop Project Zorgo forever. That's too big of a claim. But I feel like I would be so important if I figured it out. I already tried my code for it today. Wait, you guys see that? Someone's at the door. Ah! It's a hacker! What are you doing here inside the safe house? How did you even find out where this place is?
Let's get out of here. Come back to headquarters.
Heck no! How did you even find out where the safe house is?
You told us where the safe house is.
No, I didn't!
PZ9, you don't really want to be a spy ninja. Tell the truth.
And you don't want me to make that mask a permanent part of your face, huh?
Drop the act, PZ9. No spy ninjas are home. You can tell me the truth. Project Zorgo member. The Project Zorgo member.
Drop the act? How about I just drop you in a battle royale? Are you ready? How did you find out where the safe house is? I'm gonna beat the information out of you, loser! Well, the spy ninjas are gonna love to see this.
Okay. All right.
Oh, Daniel!
You did it, PZ9. You passed the test. Good job, man. Did I make a convincing hacker?
I could have really hurt you!
Dude, you run fast.
What the heck was all that about, though? All of a sudden, the hackers come to the safe house? You know Chad and B would have put me to blame for all that.
Yeah, they told you to guard the safe house. Next thing you know, a hacker comes in. Well, PZ9, I'm so glad you actually defended the safe house and chased a hacker out. That's really good. That's what a spy ninja would do, so I'm gonna go meet up with Chad, okay? I'll see you later.
What the heck? Why would he do that?
Okay, I'm gonna call Chad and V and Regina. Hey guys, PZ9 passed the test. I pretended to be a hacker and he chased me out. He's really good at guarding the safe house.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Cool. He also passed my test. He didn't hack my YouTube channel. This is great.
Okay, I'm glad he passed all the other tests, but I have the ultimate test for him to see if he can be the true spy ninja that he claims to be.
What the heck? Daniel playing some tricks on me? You can't dress up like a hacker and wander around the safe house like that. That's dangerous. Someone could get hurt. Well, speaking of hacker, sketchy figure. Oh, hacker.
PZ9, come here, man.
What is it? I don't do that anymore.
PZ Leader wanted me to deliver an important message for you.
Important message? Like what?
Project Zorgo Leader knows how important you are to the organization, so he wants you back.
Everybody wants me back. Come on, what's the catch though?
There's no catch. Actually, there's a reward.
What are we talking about? What kind of reward?
The reward is $10,000.
$10,000?
That's right.
Oh, that's a lot of money.
We've seen you homeless, so we know you need this money, and we want you back in Project Zorgo. So what do you say, PZ9?
Oh, that's a good deal. $10,000. Since when did Project Zorgo start making enough money to just buy hackers? Is that even real?
We're rolling in the dough now.
That's fantastic. Let me see. Oh, well, it feels real. It kind of smells real, too. You sure there's $10,000 in this thing?
It's all there, man.
I'm just gonna go check it out real quick. Man, what the heck? I can't let Project Zorgo be walking around trying to buy people. What is Project Zorgo doing with all this money? That hacker is a straight up idiot. I just took that $10,000 and ran. Those PZ fools trying to think they could just buy me back into their company. I'm worth way more than $10,000. Well, maybe not by much. Anyways, that whole scene was really sketchy. I'm gonna give V a call right now. She needs to know about this. Wait, is that V's ringtone? Coming from that hacker? Wait a second. The hacker's reaching for his phone. Oh no, this can't be. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
V, what the heck?
V, are you out on the streets right now dressed in a hacker outfit? Oh my goodness. What is the meaning of all of this? I'm gonna confront her right now.
V!
Melvin!
Wait, it was you all along?
Yeah, Melvin, I have something to tell you. I'm so proud of you. Honesty is one of the Spy Ninja's most important tenets. And you just proved that you can be honest. You really are going to be a great Spy Ninja.
Wait, but how did you get your voice to sound so legit?
I got this voice modulator right here.
Oh wow, that's pretty convincing.
Yeah, so I use it underneath my mask, and once I talk,
I sound like this.
So, is this $10,000 real?
I mean, there's $10,000 there, but the money's not real.
Man, if it was real money, that would have been sweet.
Whoa! What was that? Sound like Regina.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
It came from this way.
Okay.
Regina!
Regina! Oh my gosh!
Be quiet over there, Regina. Don't even try to move. All the PZ members are coming here. We're gonna take you back to the headquarters.
Hey, Gossiper! Regina, are you okay? I'm fine. What's going on?
The Spy Ninjas and PZ9, what are you doing here?
Wait a minute. I know all this.
Wait, you are part of kidnapping Regina? Tie her up?
No. Daniel already got me earlier. You got me, Daniel got me, and now Chad's trying to get me too. With Regina, genius plan. But I'm not gonna fall for it this time.
Oh, I'm really trapped. Please let me out of here.
You think I'm Chad?
Wait a minute. What do you mean Daniel did the same thing? Wait, he did the same thing as me?
Well, he was dressed up as a hacker. He didn't give me $10,000 though.
Oh.
Look at this outfit. It's so convincing, Chad. You've really done your research.
You think I'm Chad? Take this.
Oh, come on, Chad. I get the point already. You don't have to really hit me, dude.
There's more where that came from.
Like what? Huh?
Right like this.
Ouch.
PC9, I don't think that's Chad. He wouldn't hit you like that.
Definitely not Chad.
Why?
I'm telling you this right now.
No, it's Chad. He punches like Chad too.
Look over there! Chad again! I told you!
What's going on?
What?
the heck? What's going on here?
Wait, then Chad and Daniel, then PZ44.
I told you.
Oh, yeah, scare him off.
Can someone untie me?
I'm untying you.
Untying Regina.
Okay.
What's going on here? Why were you guys just standing here with a hacker?
I thought this was a whole ruse for you guys to test my loyalty or something. I mean, V did it. Daniel, you did it. I just thought you two were in on it too.
Me and Chad were running up here and we just saw you guys just not even helping Regina.
Standing here.
PZ9, you gotta fight him.
Why were you letting that hacker punch you like that?
Well, I thought it was you, and I could take a couple of punches from Chad.
I told you, PZ9, it was real. You're supposed to help out if you're a Spy Ninja. Come on.
I mean, you got yourself in that situation in the first place. How was I supposed to know too? You know about the story of the boy who cried wolf? Except it's the Spy Ninja who cried hacker. I've definitely proven myself enough. I scared a hacker away from the house. Another hacker tried to bribe me to get back into Project Zorgo, and I didn't take the money.
And when I was spying on you, you didn't hack into my computer and delete my YouTube account, so that's good.
You were spying on me? Yeah, this whole thing is getting ridiculous. I thought you guys were gonna trust me.
Melvin, I know that I've been kind of mean to you in the past.
Kind of.
But I was right. You did betray the Spy Ninjas. You did betray us. So I just want to make sure that you're not going to betray us again. I got to protect the Spy Ninjas. We don't want to get our heart broken again.
So what? Was that testing enough?
Yeah, you passed all of our tests.
I think the last test would be taking off that mask.
Yeah, becoming a Spy Ninja!
What, you Spy Ninjas really want to see my face?
Yes!
You want me to do an unmasking?
Yes!
Alright, well then let's do it!
Let's do it!
Through a friendly battle royale!
What?
What?
Okay, yeah, I'll beat you in a battle royale, and then you'll unmask.
If you win!
I'll win. To the safe house.
You're going down, PZ9.
You're going down.
All right, guys. Let's have this a true battle royale. Last man standing wins. Melvin, if you win, you don't have to take off your mask, and you can join the Spy Ninjas.
That's right!
If Chad wins, PZ9 has to take off his mask.
Yeah!
This is gonna be a battle royale for the ages.
3, 2, 1, fight! Yeah! Let's go! Come on! Okay, come on, get back up!
Once again, the Spy Ninjas win. Melvin, you are going to be doing an unmasking right now because you lost.
I'm gonna do what I can to make sure that doesn't happen.
Oh my gosh, this is an epic fight, you guys!
The fight of the century!
One more hit and you lose.
How much more you got in the tank, Chad?
About half a tank.
Good luck, because I'm an electric.
And you're at 0%.
Oh no, they're moving the fight towards the gazebo now!
Careful, Chad!
Whoa! You saved me!
Oh, PZ9, are you okay, man? Oh, dude, his mask fell off. Look,
He's unmasked, Chad!
PZ9, you okay, buddy?
Let's see his face!
Let's see his face. Come
Oh
on.
my gosh, Melvin! Ah!